So in order to view your cameras on your mobile or on your tablet or on your PC desktop, first you have to register at this website, LaView DDNS.com. Remember, your user will be your user email address, and of course the password is whatever you want it to be. Don't forget your username and your password. The next step after you create the accounts is that you will have to create a domain. This can be whatever you want it to be. So in this example, it is whatever.laviewddns.com. For some people, they might want something like first name, last name, .laviewddns.com. So I'm going to let you decide whatever you want to do. Step 2. Go into your network configuration. Go all the way over to the NAT tab. Make sure that you enable UPnP. So make sure the checkbox is check. Go back to the middle tab, which is DDNS. Make sure that you enable DDNS. DDNS type is LaView. Don't worry about the area, country. Next, it is server address, which is the default one, which is laviewddns.com. Device domain name is the one that you just created from the website. For our example, it is whatever.laviewddns.com. Initially, your status will be something like fail, but don't worry about that. Go on to the next username and password. Remember, the username and password is the same that you just register. After you fill in all the information, click apply. And then click on back to get out of this menu. The third step is going to the website canyouseeme.org. Go down to somewhere in the middle of the page. It says port to check. In this case, it will be port 8000. So type in 8000 and then click on the box check port. Hopefully you see a success. Now let's open your LaView Net app. First click on the upper left hand icon to open this menu and then click on devices. Once you're in devices, click on add, which is the upper right hand corner. There's a plus icon. Click on plus and then you'll see this menu. Alias will be whatever you want it to be. For instance, it could be your house or it could be your restaurant, for instance. So alias, you can put in whatever you want. The register mode will be IP domain. The address will be your domain. So in our example, it is whatever.laviewddns.com. The port is 8000. Username will be admin or whatever your username of the NVR. The NVR is the black recording box that you connect to your TV. The username is definitely not the email account that you created on a website. Remember that. So the username by default is admin and the password will be the password of your recording box. Click on next and you should be able to see all of your cameras now. So after completing this video and your step 3 fail at the port to check, which is port 8000 and port 8554, then that means we have to go onto the advanced video whereby I have to show you how to do port forwarding.